welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you my kind of like updated natural for me, everyday makeup tutorial. Literally like on a whim the other day, I was getting ready and I was like, you know what, I'm going to try something new. And I just ended up absolutely loving it, which very rarely happens. And yeah, I took a selfie and posted it on my Instagram, which if you guys want to follow me, I'll pop somewhere here up on the screen. But yeah, I posted like a selfie of the makeup and I got so many lovely compliments. And I actually wore the makeup out on Friday night and Saturday night. And again, I got so many compliments like in person. And I feel like that is like a true testament if a makeup looks really beautiful, if someone says it looks nice in person. So yeah, I'm just going to recreate that look for you. So if you guys want to see how to achieve my natural-ish everyday makeup routine, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have just put my hair back. And now this is my everyday makeup routine. So I am literally just going to be using all the makeup out of my makeup bag. I have literally had this makeup bag since I was in primary school. I'm so attached to it, it's not funny. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so how I always start off with my skin is I always prep it, and I personally don't use moisturizer during the day. I use sunscreen, so I just have sunscreen on. And then I always go in with a primer. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. I have fairly oily skin, so I always go in with a primer. But also not only that, I just like my makeup to last all day, obviously, and this primer is really good for that. And it's really good, guys, like it's very readily available. You can just get it at Priceline. It's not the cheapest for like a drugstore product, I would say. I think it's like nearly $30, which I personally think is expensive. And I just like to apply my primer with a flat foundation brush. This is my G18 foundation brush by Napoleon Perdis. Don't mind my super pale face. I have a fake tan on. Then I'm going to go in with my Josie Maran Illuminiser. This is her Argan Enlightenment Illuminiser, and I'm just going to pop this all over the face, exactly the same as we did with the primer. And as I said at the start of the video, guys, I do have quite oily skin, but I've found that this Illuminiser does work really well if you have oily skin. And I will be mixing in a little bit of the Illuminiser with my foundation combo. But the reason that I love putting on Illuminiser first is because what I've been obsessed with lately is just really natural skin and natural foundation. Like, I know, I'm not sick, I promise. But what I've kind of recently found that if you put on an Illuminiser all over your skin before the foundation, it almost like adds a little bit of coverage to your skin, so you can go in with less foundation if you are wanting to go for a more natural look on the skin. But also it's just going to make your skin super pretty and glowy anyway, so win-win. And now for foundation, which is the key of this look. As I said, I just really want to achieve like a really beautiful, more natural looking skin. And I'm going to be taking these two products right here. I'm going to be mixing my MAC Face and Body in C4 and my L'Oreal True Match foundation in Golden Cappuccino. Both lightweight foundations. The MAC Face and Body is very sheer, but it also is quite buildable. If you are blessed enough to have beautiful skin, first of all, I hate you, just kidding. But if you already have perfect skin, MAC Face and Body is just incredible. But I need a little bit of help, so I am going to mix that through with my True Match. And now True Match, I would say, is probably like a medium coverage that again is buildable, so you could build it up to more of a fuller coverage, or you can sheer it out for more of a lighter coverage. I'm going to mix these two both together on the back of my hands, and I'm going to add in a couple of pumps of my Josie Maran Illuminiser. Okay, so I have them all mixed up together on the back of my hand. And once again, I'm just going to paint this all over the skin. This foundation combo, honestly, you guys, like I tried it for the first time the other day, and I can't. This is just such a beautiful foundation combo. And look, I mean, I clearly do not have perfect skin. I have acne and I have lots and lots of acne scarring. I don't know, sometimes it's just something like refreshing about just having like a lighter coverage on the skin. And because the foundation is quite sheer, and we're not going for perfect looking skin, it's so quick. And that is my skin done. As I said, guys, this combo is just everything. To me, it still makes the skin look quite beautiful, but it's not covering up the skin. Like my skin is still definitely singing through the makeup, which is exactly what I was going for. But I will be going in with just a little bit of concealer just to spot conceal over my pimples. And for that, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Naked Skin in medium dark. A really sore pimple right there. Couple on my chin. And I'm just going to quickly buff that over with my foundation brush. And now to conceal, I'm going to take one of my all-time favourite concealers, my Maybelline Fit Me. It still does have quite good coverage, but it's really nice and light and fluidy. The last thing I want to do is go in with like a really heavy, thick concealer when we've gone nice and sheer on the skin. Just pop a touch on the chin, upper lip, a little bit on the forehead, and a tiny bit across the eye. So not too much concealer at all, and I'm just going to buff that out with my damp beauty blender. Okay, so that is concealer done. And look, as I said before, I have acne, guys. I have acne scarring. I have heinous eye bags, and especially on the inner corner of my eye, I tend to hold like a lot of blackness there. But this look is not about looking perfect at all, so that's okay. And then on my beauty blender again, I'm just going to take my favorite setting powder. This is my Coty Airspun. So I pick up a little bit of the powder and I just push it into the palm of my hand, and then just push that underneath the eye. And now I am oily, so I'm just going to pop a touch of powder over my chin, my upper lip area, especially here. Get quite oily here. Just a little bit, tiny bit over the nose. Now I always set my makeup no matter what, because first of all I am oily, but second of all and most importantly, I think that properly setting the face will ensure that your makeup lasts all day or night, which is exactly what we want. And because we've used quite a lot of the Illuminiser, you'll still get that healthy glow that will shine through the skin, so we're not going to look super powdery. So yeah, so I'm just going to go in with my favourite bronzer. This is my Mecca Max Sunlit Skin Bronzer in medium. And again, so not being perfect, I'm just going to really quickly lay this around the hairline just to give me a little bit of colour. Touch over the nose, 2-second nose contour, a little bit over the chin, just a touch over the cheek. I'm not going to be doing any blush, any highlighter, but I do just want to add a little bit of colour back into my face. And the best thing about this bronzer is it does have like a really natural golden glow through it, so it's just going to aid in making your skin look like you're glowing from within. Now I'm going to go in with my Australis contour kit, and I'm going to mix these two colours here to contour. And I always like to add a little bit of a cheek contour. It's super quick and easy, but for me personally, I just need a bit of shape. Literally so quick, and then I just always go over with my bronzer brush just to make sure it looks nice and natural. And then I always pop a little bit of powder contour through the jawbone. That's just like the two things that are really important to me. I don't care about contouring my nose or anything. I just have to do a jaw contour. Okay, and that is literally my skin done. So easy, so quick, 2 products, done. Okay, so now quickly moving on to brows. In general, I'm not a huge like statement brow person anyway. I just like really natural, no fuss, messy, like kind of feathery textured brows. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm literally going to spend 60 seconds on each brow, and I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Taupe. So I just brush them up. Now, as I said, you guys, this may not be for everyone, but I just love really messy eyebrows. So I always just kind of feather it through the front, kind of creating like fake brow hairs. Just going to do the same thing throughout the rest of the brow. Little bit on the top. And then I concentrate the bulk of my product just to the back of the brow, like through the arch, where I need a little bit of help. And that's it. That is literally one brow done. Just going to brush that through. This is a brow I don't really like. I feel like we all have one. But as I said, doesn't really matter. The messier, the better. Brows done. And now for eyes, you guys are literally going to laugh because they are so simple. 1 brush, 2 products. I'm literally not even going to use eyeshadow. But this look is that effective and gorgeous. And again, so easy. So I'm first going to take this Loreal bronzer, which looks like this. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's the Glam Bronze Terra. Now, of course, you could just use your normal bronzer, but I quite like this one for this particular look because it's really warm. It's almost like quite orange, which is perfect for this look. So I've just picked that up on a fluffy brush. And I am going to so messily put this through the socket. Literally, the messier the better. I do not want to look perfect at all. Like, I almost want to time myself. I reckon this could take me 60 seconds. Like, I'm not even looking, you guys. And I'm just going to really messily throw that underneath the eye. Step 1 done. And now step 2. Going to go back in with my Australis contour kit. I'm going to take this brown right here. And I'm actually going to pick it up on my finger. And I'm literally just going to press this all over my mobile lid. I am literally done. So easy. I'm just going to run over my blending brush just over the top line. And then I'm going to pick up a tiny bit of that brown on the fluffy brush and just drag that underneath the eye as well. Like, tell me this is not the quickest smoky eye in the world. So sexy, so sultry. And the best thing, it is so quick and so easy. Literally both eyes all together took me 2 minutes. So easy. Okay, and now the next step, which is absolutely key to this look, is freckles. So first of all, I actually have a freckle on the tip of my nose, and literally ever since I started wearing makeup, so what, like 11, 12, 13 years old, I would always redraw this freckle on the tip of my nose. It's literally like my favorite thing about myself. Like I just love freckles. And I've got a tiny one here, and I have one in the corner of my eye as well. I always have brown eyeliners in my makeup bag, no matter what, because I cannot live without them. It's just one of those things that I do not feel like myself unless I have my freckle on. So it's as easy as just literally just pressing it on with the pencil. And I like doing it best with eyeliners. You could use your brow pencil if you want. I just like the eyeliners. And now before I go on to the next step, I'm just going to quickly grab this and run it in my waterline. Just a really fine line in the waterline. Again, I don't feel like myself unless I do it. And now for the star of the show, it's going to be some faux freckles. So basically all I'm going to do is take my tiny little eyeliner pencil and just dot it all over the top of my cheekbones, apples of my cheek, all over my nose. And don't worry, it does look ridiculous at first. And now to make them really look like they're a part of your skin, literally all I do is just press over them with my beauty blender. And I know you guys may think, oh my God, this is an everyday makeup, who can be bothered? That literally took me 10 seconds, and this is gonna take me 10 seconds. It's so quick. So literally, I am literally done. Now I really hope that the camera will pick these up because my lights are so bloody bright. First of all, faux freckles, they're super cute. Second of all, in my opinion, freckles are really youthful. Anyone who is really freckly naturally, I am so jealous of you. My mum and my brother are really freckly, especially when my brother was younger. And actually one of my clients who is so close to my heart, I absolutely love her, Ans. Hi if you're watching, Ans. She's got the most gorgeous daughter ever, and she's covered in freckles as well, and it just melts my heart. I absolutely love freckles. But the main reason why I added freckles to the skin, and I think it's such a good tip, is I find that if you add faux freckles, it really gives the illusion that you're wearing less makeup, that your skin is peeping through the makeup. And yeah, faux freckles just make me feel so pretty. So now all I'm going to do is curl my eyelashes and pop some mascara on. As I said, this definitely is my interpretation of like an everyday natural makeup. And ideally, I wouldn't bother with false lashes. I would just do mascara. But because my natural eyelashes are so pathetic and are barely there, I'm gonna go in with some individuals, which really isn't a bother for me personally. I've been wearing lashes for literally over 10 years, so I could do them in my sleep and it takes me 2 seconds. But of course you do not have to. I just need a little bit of help. But when I have my lashes permed, I wouldn't bother doing this because I think permed lashes make such a difference. And I'm getting them permed just before my birthday, which is super soon, so I can't wait to have a lash perm. But if you guys are blessed with natural lashes, all I would say is just give them a really good curl and then add some mascara, because curling your eyelashes makes the biggest difference. It just opens up your eyes so much. If you've never tried it before, honestly try it. I promise you, it makes such a difference. Just gonna go in with a touch of mascara, top and bottom for me personally. So that is my lashes done. I literally went in with 3 individual eyelashes on each eye. And now for lips, so easy. And again, I'm going to recycle a product. I'm going to take my Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Taupe. Just use this as a lip liner because I just cannot bear to not have my lip lined. I never ever don't have a lip balm on hand. I have them in my handbag, in my purse, in my makeup bag, in my bathroom, everywhere. My favorite lip balm ever. And I just love using lip balm, you know. I think personally it looks really pretty, but you know, your lips are getting hydrated, and I just think it's quite natural. Is anyone else literally like me though? Like, I'm so obsessed with overlining my lips. Like, no matter what lip I'm doing, I literally, even when I put my lip balm on, I see myself like overlining my lips with it and like it's lip balm. I need help. Okay guys, so that is the tutorial finished. And yeah, and this is like my new everyday natural makeup routine. And I keep like saying natural because I know to a lot of people this definitely may not be natural. It's a lot of products and maybe a lot of makeup for some people, but you know, this is just my everyday tutorial, and this makeup genuinely just makes me feel so pretty. To me, it's just really refreshing, like, because I'm so used to being like the full coverage queen. Like, it takes me 45 minutes literally just to get the foundation off my face. Generally, I do wear so much makeup, but I don't know, as I said, it's just something refreshing, I think, just going in with a lighter wash of foundation and just going in with concealer where you need it. And like, the faux freckles to me are everything. Super easy smoky eyes. I don't know, for me this is just such a staple. It's so quick and easy, and if I'm in a jam I know that I can do this makeup super quickly. It's so easy, and no matter what I'm always gonna feel pretty. And as I said, I wore this to like function thing, like an afternoon function. I wore it out for dinner. You could totally wear this on a date. If you're someone that likes to glam up like on the weekend just to go shopping, this will be perfect. I know, it's just so pretty. Like I'm literally gonna shut up because I could talk about it all day. If you missed out on any of the products that I mentioned, everything that I've used will be listed in the description box down below. And yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really genuinely hope you like this tutorial. I'm so excited about this makeup. If you guys like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And if you guys would like, you can follow me on my Instagram. All my links are down below. And until my next video, guys, I'll see all of you soon. Take care. Bye.